You can prepare a wide range of brinjal curries. In this video, I'm going to show you juicy brinjal curry with grinded chicken filling. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special chicken stuffed brinjal curry. First we'll make tomato paste. For that take 500 grams of ripened tomatoes. Make plus cut on the back of the tomatoes and boil them for 5 minutes. This makes tomato skin loosen and easy to remove. After 5 minutes, take out the tomatoes. Peel off the skin. Remove the navel and drop them in a blender jar. Now blend the tomatoes into paste and keep aside. Now take 4 to 5 big size violet color brinjal, cut and remove the green stem. Cut into half. Now place the skewers on both sides of brinjal piece and make a cut for every half centimeter. Don't cut the brinjal throughout. Cut as I am showing. Look, cuts should be like this. Now drop the pieces in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of sea salt and pour enough water to cover the brinjal pieces. Keep some weight on the top of the brinjal so that all the brinjal pieces submerge in the water. Rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. Until that, we'll prepare chicken. Take 350 grams of boneless chicken in a blender jar. Into this, add 2 green chillies, 1 big onion pieces, sea salt to taste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of rosemary, half teaspoon of parsley and 1 teaspoon of Kasuri Methi. Now blend into paste. Look, consistency should be like this. Now drain the salt water from the brinjal pieces. Gently fill the grinded chicken between the gaps which we cut. Don't press harder, they may break completely. Now place them on a baking tray. Use the baking tray which has edges so that juice will not leak out. Continue filling the rest of the pieces. After filling all the pieces, take the blended tomato paste, add salt to taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder and mix. Now pour this tomato paste on top of the brinjal pieces. If you want extra gravy, you can increase tomatoes. Now add 100 grams of unsalted butter. Here I am adding as cubes. After adding butter, bake in preheated oven at 190 degrees for about 40 minutes. Look, after 40 minutes our juicy chicken stuffed brinjal curry is ready. If you feel brinjal is little harder, bake for some more time.